babadde tebaagala kujja mu valuation court. Babadde bafunayo shortcut oyo nga bawayo obusente naye nga ng'ekitongole ne tufiirwa ate nga valuation court netawuliriza nsonga zaayo. So twagala tutegeeza bannakampala valuation court eno teri wano batulugunya. Valuation court eri wano balwanirira. Era ndi musanyufu nnyo abantu be twateeka mu valuation court bakulemberwamu Kanso Muyizi Samuel abasinga mwena mumumanyi munamateeka alumirirwa era alwanirira omuntu wa wansi. So tusuubira abadde bali eyo nga beekwese nga balowooza bagenda batulugunya mu kooti ebyo byakomye. Tubasaba mujje ensonga zammwe zonna tugenda ziwuliriza. Abadde mwekalakaasa KCC ebakyajinga ssente nyingi ate nga valuation court tetuuka ku ground okukola valuation oba okulaba evidence. Ebyo byonna byakomye. Akakiiko kaffe kano kagenda kukola ruling based on evidence. Court is officially starting its work of hearing the petitions. The valuation court is a court for the people. The valuation court is not here to oppress or exploit the ordinary citizens of Kampala. And therefore we are calling upon all those that have been trying to evade the valuation court to come forward and bring their complaints. This is a competent team and we have trust in them. And we are sure they are going to serve the interests of the people.
What exactly are you going to do?
Well, the role of the valuation court is known. We have for a very long time received a number of complaints from property owners. Some of the complaints range from, like the chairman said, strangely, some of their names are missing on the valuation list. Number two, we have also received complaints from some of them that they are overcharged. We also continue to receive complaints about residential houses being put on the valuation list to pay property rates. So those are the things that we are going to look into. And we have also received information from trusted sources that some of the tycoons have been finding shortcuts and not coming to the valuation court. So we are also here to deal with that. We do not want tycoons to evade paying property, and yet those that make little money from their property appear to the valuation court. And we are sure that justice is going to be served. We have people who do not know English. An interpreter is going to be put in place for them. And the valuation court is going to be here to serve them 3 days a week.